Welcome to OneLink. Once you created your account and you're on the main app screen, you're going to have a couple options. At the bottom, you see a plus sign. With that plus sign, you can start creating your short links or universal links. Let's create one. Now you have two options, short and universal. Let's create a short link. So in this case, you're going to just touch the field for the destination URL and type the URL that you want to be, shortened. When you're finished, you can also add an option for the UTM tracking code that will send the data to your analytics. In this case, I'm going to save. This is a disclosure around the URL that you're about to create. There's a test button if you want to test it. And then you press the green button. Now your link is created. Let's edit now. You touch on the pencil icon. And you see now that next to the short URL on the top, there is a small airplane. If you touch that, you're going to be receiving by email the link and the QR code that you just created for this short link. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so that's all for the short links. The universal links are exactly the same. In this case, if you want to create one, you press universal link, you type the name of the app, and then on one of those slots, you start putting the store or the app store URL. You paste it in each of them. And then at the end, you touch the button save. Once you created the link, Automatic will go to review the universal links. And once approved, if you have the ownership of that link, it will go live. In the case for the short links, once you see the icon in blue, that means that your link is live and you can use it right away. When the icon is in gray, it means that it is disabled. As you can see, there is a little thunder that you can touch lightning to activate it. In this case, this link has been activated in a different device, so it cannot be activated in this one. But normally, if you activated your link here, for example, if I click remove, you could deactivate your link, and then exactly it's going to show the same one as the other one created on another platform. Once you activate it, automatic, it will come active. While the link is deactivated, your link won't work. So make sure that your subscription is active and make sure that the link is active. All right, thank you. And have a good linking management.